Okay.
So,
We need to.
so do you think it will work if you just take all the activity stuff and put it into a new Java class?
I actually doubt it because you need on create. I mean, maybe. Let's
I mean, maybe
try
if you-
because
Maybe you should just go and make another activity. That's sort of what I was doing before.
but then can you pass the button? Because if you create a separate activity, then you need a different XML.
Well, yeah, that's what I mean.
Yeah, that's the problem. Do you think we are able to pass parameters such as buttons?
Well, you could just do it so that when you click a button, when you click the register button, it just starts the new activity. So then you won't need to pass parameters. So
Okay.
you hit the button, it starts activity, and then it goes through all of the scan activities.
Okay, let's try and do this.
So let's try that.
So the QR reader is actually gonna be not just a class, but an activity.
Yeah. One thing is I think you should use the Eclipse wizard to make a new activity because it'll have to add it to the Android manifest XML.
Yep.
So just go use the wizard for it. You'll have to go other. I did this yesterday.
Yep.
Yeah. And then Android second half.
Yep. And then activity.
Yeah. You like that?
Okay, we'll just leave it blank.
Yeah, probably work.
Activity name, that's gonna be QR. QR reader. Is there something else?
Yeah, so I'll just do all that for you. I hate this stupid thing on Eclipse.
Yeah, have to change it all the time. Okay, that's fine. So next, we need the code from here. I'll just first copy and paste all the code.
Yeah, okay.
And then
cool. We'll see what breaks. We're gonna have to implement the on-click thing.
yeah, definitely. Okay. Right. Oh yeah. That's on create. I don't think we need this. Guess so. We'll just leave on create. Shift F.
One problem is QR result. This is the thing. See, if we go to a new activity though, can we update elements which were on a previous screen?
I think we may be able to pass them with extra.
Right.
Just like.
You're quite right. Yeah.
Well,
yeah, we should make. We have to make another function in main activity. Go back to QR reader. We have to basically create a function which accepts the string.
Yeah. So and we're gonna use something like from main activity, because you have I put extra and then you can do content and then switch it back. Okay, so Q read extend activity implement.
So is it on-click listener?
Yep. Why doesn't it like? Oh, they have to record it. It's the view, and now it's gonna say that it wants to be abstract.
Well, should we change?
Yep.
So wait, what was it saying? Must implement an on-click listener or on-click view. Really?
Just try and I think onClick actually has two different classes. The first one is view and the second one is dialog. So if you delete it,
Delete what?
just wait, remove.
Let's check. Because isn't it? Because
Yeah, I had this problem like when I was doing the geolocator. Yeah, I think it's just the package.
I think it's just because on click's not here.
Yeah. So delete it and write it again, and then it's gonna ask you to import something else.
You can just add that coming up.
Try.
Because it should it'll just make.
Oh yeah, it's gonna create the.
It'll just make a blank
on
on-click method.
Yeah. Just because I added the on-click and I thought that it's not gonna be a problem, but it probably
I think
doesn't,
the reason that
recognize it.
I think that's there because you've not imported the.
Yeah, I haven't imported quite a lot of stuff.
Where's it here?
Yeah, it's over here. There's quite a lot of stuff.
Where's the zebra crossing stuff?
Oh, yeah, it's over here.
Well, that's what that was for. So,
On credit is fine. Okay, can you scroll down?
so the next one is
Student main, yeah.
is that, so
That's actually gonna be QR reader. That's because that's basically just the class name.
yeah, okay, sure all this. And pure result. Well, we're gonna have to make.
The problem here
I
is
think what we need to do is make a. To do like contents equals contents. No, sorry. Contents equals that plus contents, and then pass contents into a function in main activity. Is it in main activity or student main?
Student main.
Student main, okay. So
Because actually the register button is gonna be in the student main.
yeah,
It's up because that's my geolocator here. Only the top. Oh, actually, yeah. I mean,
I'm just making a new
Oh,
function. Yeah. Do I have to override? Do you know?
not sure. You'd better do it because
Actually, no. That's just because override. I won't need to override it because there's none. There's no head for this. Update text, I guess. Takes in string message, and then seeing as you've done it all like that, I'll do it like that. Even though it hurts me. Right, okay. And what's the name of the button? QR result.
QR result, yeah.
What was it called? Message.
Message here.
Yeah, and that'll do it. The only thing we'll need to do is we'll need to create an object in here. So it can just be created here because it's only going to live for this long. So can I create objects of activities?
You can try.
Right. What was it called? I thought it set something.
Wasn't
Update text.
text. Set text.
It's not like all compound.
It must be like 5 minutes by the way.
Okay. What are we at?
We are almost at 10 minutes. Just finish this.
The method update. What? Why? Am I doing the wrong? Because it's in. Shouldn't. Wait. What? Update text. As far as I can see, it should allow me to just do that.
If you want, just delete it. That was the point, and just do it again. Because sometimes it doesn't work.
Because look, it doesn't autocomplete. That's the problem. Like when I make obj, it lets me do all of the other ones, but not update text. Unless that it's not been saved. I didn't save it.
Oh yeah, if you haven't saved it.
That's what the problem was. Oh, is it? What's still undefined? Okay.
Try creating the object on the top, probably. the class, because maybe it's
okay.
it's either restricted or because some of the some of the methods that I made are private or protected.
Right, okay.
Yeah, just
like here.
Here. And save it. No.
What the hell? Update text string. I mean, that's what it's called. Is this like in a? Well, let's try override. Well, now it's. Yeah, as expected, we don't actually need that.
If you want, we can stop it now.
Just wait 1 second. Oh, it's because that was the class, public class.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Because some of my methods are like there's a private class instead of main.
Right.
But actually,
I'll just slot it in here.
Yeah, somewhere on top.
And save that. Yeah, there you go.
Yep.
It works. So, can we test it?
Well, we have to call the method somehow, because we're not calling the method.
Ah, you're right.
Because we are only
Do you want
passing
to
the.
we'll stop it down there. Okay.